Okay. Good afternoon, Sukanya. How are you?
Thank you, sir. I'm doing good. How are you, sir?
Very good. Good. Okay, let me tell you, you are one exceptional student in Bodhi. The reason is directly you have done 300-hour teacher training course.
No, sir. For 1 month, I was following up with whoever was my program coordinator. I kept following up for 1 month.
I was impressed with your patience. 90% we reject. I'll call in my help desk team, sir, from another institute, somebody wants to do advanced training. I say reject them. I say don't respond to them. That same thing happened with you. But you were like, Vikramarka type. You did not give up.
You told me the exact same thing.
So the reason is they do some institute, somewhere something, they don't understand fundamentals. They join here, they confuse. Hence we reject, but you are selected and you have successfully completed. Fantastic. So please, let me know more about you. Can you brief about you, very briefly about your name, location,
Yes.
everything?
My name is Sukanya Ramanathan. I'm from Chennai, 34 years old, and I have
34.
35, sir, actually, sorry. 21 April, I turned 30.
Normally, anybody reduce 1 year less, normal, natural.
My birthday just got over, sir. So yeah, 35, and I
you don't look like 35. I want to see your Aadhaar card.
I'll send a copy, sir.
Very good. This is the beauty of yoga subject. So from Chennai, so why did you come to this? Are you a homemaker or a working professional?
Sir, I was working in IT for almost 10 years straight, sir, 2007 to 17. And then after my second kid was a year old, I just quit because I was running between house and office, didn't work out. And then, I don't know, I just started going to the studio for practice. I liked it. And then I took up a teacher training program in 2018. So that's where my journey with yoga started, sir. Purely out of passion. I just loved the practice. I took 3-4 months to take a decision, and then I found myself.
This is a correct progress for any student. So you practiced 3-4 months, then you attended teacher training course. Then last year you started teaching, right?
2019 January I started.
19. And now you taught 2 years.
Yes.
And then now you took advanced training this year.
Yes.
Fantastic, great journey.
Thank you, sir.
Tell me, how many students do you have?
I started my teaching with kids. Somehow that word of mouth kept spreading. Now I have about 20 kids practicing with me. I teach twice a week, evening for kids.
Kids yoga?
Yes, sir.
I have sent a lot of books.
Yes, sir. I downloaded everything. I will take a printout of everything.
It means you are creating future diamonds.
Yes, sir. Something that the current generation requires.
So 20 kids you are teaching, then adults how many are there?
About 25 to 30 people, majorly Hatha practitioners. I teach twice a week early morning, and then I also teach Vinyasa and talk classes. So I have a couple of them practicing Vinyasa and talk classes at me as well.
Okay. Why 3 classes per week?
One thing is they wanted different styles. So I give them an option of taking both. They attend both classes. Hatha one day, Vinyasa one day.
So basically 6 days classes.
Yes, sir. 6 days.
So you have done 3 days option.
Yes. I've given them that option. For people who are working, don't have time, I give them that option.
Excellent. And total how many students you said you have?
48 to 52 students, sir.
Half century, 50 plus.
Yes.
Tell me, I have one point. I know, but still I want to hear from you. See, this wife only can do. Working, suddenly she will stop for children. Husband will not do. It's our tradition, Indian tradition.
Correct.
So suddenly you are working, earning, suddenly stop, staying at home, no financial independence. How was your feeling quickly? Immediately means after stopping job.
I kept myself loaded for 2 years. Before I made this decision, as soon as my second child was born, I started saving up, sir, first thing. It became a habit. Somewhere down the line, I became doubtful because my parents were aging. At some point, I had to relieve them of duties.
So you had the savings, enough savings.
Yes, sir. I was like, 2 years, I will test out waters. If nothing doesn't work, we're always going to have the corporate world waiting for us. So I just took that decision blindly, stepped in, and it has worked out, thankfully.
Courageous decision.
Yes, sir.
Thanks to savings. But still, savings will be there in the bank. Regular income is not there.
Yes,
Did you
that's
face any problem because of that?
Yes, sir, because I am not a person who will ask anything to anybody, even to my husband, though he's very nice. He's very supportive of my decisions. For me to open my mouth and ask for something I need is very hard. So yes, initial 3-4 months were little traumatizing. Not that I had shortage of funds, but not meeting people, fully being home. Suddenly I felt like I was useless for some time. Though I was doing more than enough job at home managing both the children, that there was a void that I couldn't fill. That was definitely there for some time. And then this basic practice helped me overcome that. Again, meeting people at the studio or something. From then on, once I took the TTC and started teaching, that feeling went away, sir. I was like, okay, I'm earning only 50% what I was doing, but I'm only working 2 hours a day. I'm fully available for my family, my in-laws, my parents. I was happy.
See, listen.
Yes.
You are working 11 to 12 hours.
Yes.
Now you are working 2 hours. But earning 50% of that.
Yes.
That means efficiency increase, na?
Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir.
And you are, most of the time, you're with children. Taking care of family, taking care of children.
Full time, sir. My in-laws, we used to be, we live in the same building with my in-laws, my brother-in-law. It's a family of 20 members. So the presence has been great. I had the chance to finally experience that presence as well.
One more thing. You are the boss. You are not reporting to anybody.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
And your health is taken care. You become super fit. What else anybody needs, Sukanya?
Yes, sir.
You become strong, you become flexible, you become peaceful. You are earning 2 hours only working.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Now you tell me, so you joined for advanced training in Bodhi. How was your experience with us, with my team?
Sir, to start with, every teacher had a unique style. Somebody had a very active style. Somebody had a very patient style. All our lead trainers were super patient with us. How many ever questions we tortured them with, how many ever times we asked the same question. They took the time to make sure that, be it for even learning courses or the theoretical part, even if they were a little doubtful, they used to go back, come back and answer. Something that we asked and they're not sure, it's just give me a minute. And then they always used to come back with answers. So that way, it was a very lively interaction with them. We felt like we have already known each other for quite some time. So there was a comfort zone and a rapport between us and the teachers. So the learning became very easy, sir.
And online, advanced yoga teacher training online, how was it?
I was very skeptical, sir. Truly speaking, I was very skeptical. But I thought, okay, I should try, because I never thought online teaching was going to work. After 1 year, since that worked, I was like, okay, other teachers can also teach to me. I can also be a good student. Let me try. So I tried. It worked. I am so grateful for that decision I made, and the school also worked out. So I'm very happy about that, sir.
How was the experience with Narendra?
Narendra sir is the super patient person I was telling about. He is this, a vessel without a base, full with knowledge. Anything we ask, he has very clear answers. You can ask him. I used to text him every other day with some question or the other. He will find his time. In spite of teaching so many batches, God only knows where he has the patience and energy to answer individually, sir. He always gives.
Lakshmi, Sargam, Aldrin.
Aldrin is our favorite for all the initial, that first fun nap, for that adrenaline, we require Aldrin. So some days we're like, Aldrin ma'am, today is a mercy ma'am, head to toe, we are hot, the body is tight. So some days are like that. Sargam ma'am, all advanced poses, many of the poses she taught us, she will try 10 different techniques, suiting every single person in the group. 55-year-old person, she will find a technique to match her and make her do. 20-year-old person, she will make. So she will keep running around to find a technique to make sure you get it done. By end of class, you have to get the pose at least 50%. She will make sure she does that. And Lakshmi ma'am is one superwoman only. Again, we adore her classes. Advanced practitioners, it's going to take years for us to get where she is, but we're just thankful for being in her class.
See, this Sargam and Aldrin are young girls. Narendra and Lakshmi, they have got two daughters, both of them.
Yes, sir.
And trust me, they have a perfect yogi yogini qualities.
Yes, sir.
And you are fortunate to get training from them.
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, listen, the tradition flows, See, we have a rule in Bodhi that, whatever students asks, we have to answer. We cannot argue with students. This is a rule. If any trainer fights with student, he's out. And till now, so far, we have 70 trainers, close to 70. All are same. Yeah, harmony. So we see students are coming to learn. So we have to be patient, the fundamental quality. Acha, your background is looking nice. See, what is this? Your online yoga studio?
Yeah, this is my yoga room, sir. Originally my kids' room, but I always keep my house free from furniture. So since last March, this has been my yoga room. I painted the wall. My friend gifted this beautiful poster for me because she attended my class. She said, "It was looking so blank at the back. Why can't you hang something?" And then she made me this canvas painting. So it's been there still starting from the second month of my online class. So this is my setup, my happy place, my work location, sir.
So you just enter this room, their office room.
Yes, sir. Strictly.
And in 1 second, you can go home.
Yes. It's literally, I slip and I fall, fall into my house. I slip and I fall into my office.
Fantastic. So I'm very happy, Sukanya. So you have 50 students. So please, what I request, you are now advanced yoga teacher, RYT 500 trainer. And please focus on doing small workshops also.
Yes.
Like, we do every week 2-3 events like face yoga, special meditation session by Sujana. We keep on doing small things.
Yes.
Maybe you can add one more session. You can reach 100 people so easy. Right? And let's rock. And I hope we will come to Chennai after this Corona thing. We will have one big academy in Chennai. I hope if you are not busy and if you can give some time, so we will work together.
Sir, it will be an absolute pleasure, sir. That is something I've always wanted to discuss with you because, like I said, when I wanted to do my RYT 200, I couldn't find a place. Chennai requires that kind of an academy, sir, and that is definitely lacking.
We will see. We are not doing something any circus drama, traditional. We follow traditional, and we teach all the essential things, all the detox thing, whatever you name it. No compromise in quality.
Yes.
1+3 backup teachers.
Yes.
Even in academies, no one teacher teaches. Always 3 teachers we allot. I myself will sit in the academies. So it's how is it? Okay, your corporate job and versus this, what is the satisfaction index?
So satisfaction index is more than 100 years, sir. Definitely, no doubt. Their satisfaction stopped with me. I made money. I had something to spend. That's it. Here, the satisfaction is about how many people I've brought into the community without even meeting them, and they formed a bond, and they want to stay with us, and we've been useful to them. They are people outside family, total strangers, whom we have been able to help. So that is one thing that gives me 100% satisfaction in this.
See, for us, Sukanya, we are taking care of our health. We are little bit earning, and that little bit earning is, you said half of, right? But that value is 10 times than what you are earning. It's like prasadam, nectar. Nectar is small is enough, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you are making 50 people happy. You made 50 people healthy. What else we need, Sukanya?
Yes, sir.
And it's, I'm telling you, you have 100% yogini qualities. Simple, humble. That's the reason I selected you for advanced training. You know, some people say, I'm a yoga teacher, I want to do teacher. You know, the arrogance, the talking style, all the credit goes to yoga practice. You were like this before teacher training, or after yoga path you become like that?
Truthfully speaking, I used to be a lot more short-tempered. My friends don't recognize me now. Now they are like, where have you gone? What has happened to you? And they shake me out every time they meet me. And a lot of them have started practicing with me because they've liked the transformation. It's been for good. So they are like, we get the satisfaction of talking to a doctor. So they want to say something, be it a physical pain or a mental tension. Now so many people call me just to talk. That's it. I've had paid private sessions where I just go sit and listen to what they have to say. Sometimes people just need that. I never used to have that quality in me earlier. Plainly listening without judgment, without criticism. That is something that yoga has definitely taught me.
Fantastic, Sukanya. So I'm super happy to speak to you. So I have a now powerful trainer in Chennai. And after this, we need to work together. See, working alone, less energy, team, power. Now in India, now we are the #1 academy. No competition to Bodhi. Because the group, entire team works together. Right? Let us go to as many people as possible. See, in Hyderabad, we have approximately 800 trainers in Hyderabad. Every corporate company is Bodhi trainer. Every apartment is Bodhi trainer. Every yoga center, even if you see Cult Fit, you go to any Cult Fit center, you find Bodhi trainer. And initially, they were conducting interviews in my academy. And they came with a proposal that we want to buy. I said, not interested. We have not started to sell our... Their CEO, one guy, Shan Mugum or somebody came. I said, we are not interested. Now, even our yoga centers, if you see, you will surprise. 100% ventilation, 100% dust free, no pollution, simple, but huge halls, so that the students will be very happy.
Yes.
Yeah. So we will do work together in Chennai. I'm very happy. Normally, I don't want to work with advanced yoga trainers. Do you know that?
Yes, sir. You told us when you came into our advanced.
I'm telling you on the screen, I don't like advanced yoga teachers. I'm sorry to say this. We recruited 4 or 5 advanced yoga trainers. Absolutely mentally disturbed. One person was drug addicted. One person, what that person talks, he doesn't know. And the other person, while eating also asanas. Then I felt, no, see, if you see, we have conducted more than 150, 200, RYT 200. Hardly 10 batches we have done advanced. This advanced itself is, I say, drama. I say, publicly I'm telling. Drama means, okay, you can excel, but this doing advanced asanas is not advanced yoga teacher training.
Correct.
Advanced yoga means you have to become more peaceful, you have to become a more happy person, and you have to have more students. Then I say you are advanced yoga teacher. Not that I do split, I do this. Circus people do better than us.
Yes, true.
Right? You are a perfect advanced yoga teacher. Yeah. Second. What happened? Power. Yeah. Yes. So you are a perfect advanced yoga teacher, and we will work together in future. Thank you so much for sparing your time with me.
One thing that I wanted to specifically mention about how the practice has helped me. 2018 December, when I finished my PTC, is when my dad was diagnosed with a renal failure, CKD. And he was a BP and a diabetic patient, but it started with a straight stage 5 kidney failure right before I took my exam. Thankfully, this decision, I was able to spend my entire time taking care of him. I was available for him just a feet away. And like you said, the mental disturbance, because you always see your dads like the kings who rule the world. So we always look up to them. And then suddenly he became another third child for us at home. So that transformation and how we had to handle it. Mom and I have a younger sister, so it's all ladies at home. I have two daughters, again ladies. So fully taking care of him. He went completely bedridden in just 5 months. And the practice was the only thing that kept us going very strong. And we didn't end up crying or anything. We were able to take care of him till the last moment. He passed away last April. So he had a renal failure followed by loss of vision, and then heart failure was the last thing that he underwent. So if not for this practice, I don't even know how stable I would have been to handle the entire situation. So I'm just so thankful that I chose this practice. And I just want to tell people that everybody should give it a try. Do not think of it as a boring practice. So I'm pretty sure 3 months, if they give their time, they will find their place in this practice. They will understand how much it makes life better.
See, now whole world knows the power of yoga.
Yes,
But
yes.
all don't digest this, Sukanya. It's not everybody's cup of tea. See, you are telling very interesting thing that the sadhana, I have a book, I'll try to send hard copy to you, sadhana book name. It becomes a shielding. We are untouched.
Yes, sir.
Somebody leaves, we say it's okay. Somebody appreciates, it's okay. So we have a powerful shielding. We are untouched by people. We are untouched by people comments. We are untouched by critical situations. That's what nicely you mentioned. Even tough situations, you did not give up. Sadhana means you are a perfect yogini. And you have to progress until my last breath. We work together, Sukanya.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
That is
That's what
really
your student and teacher has to. That what is our opening prayer? That let's work together. Let us be in harmony. Let us not hate each other.
Thank you, sir.
So same thing, your students may become yoga teachers tomorrow. They may start studios, but you should not hate them. They should not hate.
Yes, sir.
So we need to remember that opening prayer, and let's pray that we will work together till our last breath. Let us pray.
The moment you step inside Chennai, I will jump right into the boat.
Be ready.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Sukanya, for time. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.